Well, now we invite Mr. Asim Gill, Director, Yogi Ji Digi Group, for a presentation on topic Contemporary Lean Processing Lines. Asim Gill, Vice President Project at Yogi Digi, are one of the fastest growing flat steel processing line solution providers with the highest market share in the last decade. Yogi Ji Digi has a strong workforce of 580 plus people having a varied experience in the field of mechanical, electrical, automation, hydraulics, erection and commissioning under one roof. Can we please have a huge round of applause for him?
First of all, thank you for the introduction and a very good afternoon to all of you. Mr. Ajay Tambe and members of the Steel Group for the organizers of this event, my fellow exhibitors and delegates, and my topic for today is contemporary lean processing lines. Okay, so for all the customers out here, what if you sow the seed and get the maximum yield in the shortest gestation period? That is what we offer at UGDG with our timely deliveries, which allows faster rate of interest, leading to exponential growth for all our customers. So let's go through a few case studies. First of all, I'd like to talk about MMI Steel in Africa, who started the mighty journey with the GL line in Tanzania, as you can see on your screen, in 2008, and over the years has expanded in so many nations in Eastern Africa, with not one, but two new mills coming up this year, one in Uganda and one in Tanzania. For the second case study, I'd like to mention Prompt Industries. Mr. Vishal Garg from Prompt is here today with us, and he can testify to the fact that our right guidance and quality machinery from YD Group has led to the rapid evolution of the group at a low capex. On the right hand side of the screen, you can see how Prompt Industries has been expanding their manufacturing setup over the years. So, thank you Mr. Vishalji for your trust with us, and more luck and best wishes to you, sir. So this is our mission and vision statement on the screen in front of you. And I'm proud to say that we make in India and have been representing India at a global stage all over the world. This is our global footprint. So right now we have 3 manufacturing units, all in vicinity of 500 meters with an overall manufacturing area of 32,000 square meters with an expansion underway. We have a state-of-the-art machining facility. This is a 70-ton CRM housing being machined to mirror finish at our facility. These are some of the other machines. And I'm proud to say that with these machines, we have brought down the time of machining of, one chop from proof machining to finish machining to less than 72 hours from a day of 90 days. Some more machining centers at our facility.
So this is the assembly area for the processing lines. Assembly area for 6 mill stands. So that was something about the YD group. But let's get back to our topic of contemporary lean processing lines. So YD color coating lines flexibility empowers our customers to create customized design products according to the market trend, enabling us to hold a 47% market share in color coating lines in India in last 5 years. Our innovative line layout coupled with flexible coaters delivers precise, uniform, and finely metered paint application. We have in-house design and manufacturing of different type of coaters such as S-type, U-type, and many others. So these are some of the popular brands sold in different markets which are produced on YD machinery. First you saw APL Apollo. Now this is a Sham Metallics brand, Tiger Reed.
So this is the assembly area for the processing lines. Assembly area for 6 anvil stands. So that was something about the YD group. But let's get back to our topic of contemporary lean processing lines. So YD color coding lines flexibility empowers our customers to create customized design products according to the market trend, enabling us to hold a 47% market share in color coding lines in India in last 5 years. Our innovative line layout coupled with flexible coaters delivers precise, uniform and finely metered paint application. We have in-house design and manufacturing of different type of coaters such as S-type, U-type and many others. So these are some of the popular brands sold in different markets which are produced on YD machinery. First you saw APL Apollo. Now this is a Sham Metallics brand, Tiger Reed. This is a Jagdamba Steel brand sold in the Nepal market. And these are some of the pattern sheets which are produced by various customers on our cost-effective lines. Okay, so I'd like to talk about the first of its kind narrow CCL for the production of pre-painted purlins installed at APL Apollo Airport. Mr. Nahar is also here. He can testify to the fact that this is being produced in India for the first time. And I think not only in India, but on the world stage for the first time. And I'm proud to say that this machine was supplied, designed, manufactured, supplied, commissioned by Yogi GPG. It's a prime example of a lean contemporary coating line producing a product for the first time, as I mentioned. Second, I'd like to talk about the state-of-the-art CCL designed, manufactured, supplied and commissioned again by the YD Group for JSW in Pulwama. This is another example of how a lean commission time it is commissioned in a hostile and challenging terrain of Kashmir. The ease of operation is highlighted by the fact that it is solely operated by locals of Kashmir and is the first major investment generating in employment in Kashmir after the government scraping of Article 370. So this is a Purlio branded pre-painted purlins by APL Apollo I talked about earlier, proudly produced on YD lines. So let's move forward. I feel proud when I say that we have a whopping 39% market share in GIGL lines in India in the last 5 years. So we offer both on-off and wet flux type GIGL lines. We also supply customized solutions for continuous black and white annealing lines. This is a GL line supplied to Jagdamba Steel in Nepal. We have our own design and manufacturing of furnaces ensuring superior quality, precision and performance. This is a GI line supplied to Shyam Metallics as a part of an integrated CRM complex. This is the narrow GI line supplied at APL Apollo Raipur, which feeds the raw material to the narrow color-coated line I talked about earlier for the pre-printed burnets, also supplied by the YD Group. These are some of the other GIGI lines supplied by us in the last 2 years. This is an example of one of our customers, Goram, not only competing but thriving amongst reputable brands because of the flexibility provided by the lean and low capex YDGI lines. Our design office for furnace and ovens, headed by Mr. Nabre, who I'm sure is known to most of you as a well-respected and trusted member of our industry. With this, I'd like to end my presentation. Thank you all for being such a patient and wonderful audience. I would like to take any questions or feedback that you might have. Thank you.